Aquamarine, the mesmerizing blue-green gemstone, has captivated people for centuries with its ethereal beauty and rich history. Named after the Latin words, aqua, for water, and marina, for sea, aquamarine embodies the essence of the ocean, its serene hues evoking images of crystal-clear waters and tranquil beaches. This gemstone, a member of the beryl family, is closely related to emerald, but its unique color and properties have earned it a place of distinction among gemstones. Aquamarine's allure goes beyond its aesthetic qualities, as it holds significant historical, cultural, and metaphysical importance, making it a gemstone of both beauty and meaning. The formation of aquamarine begins deep within the Earth's crust, where beryllium-rich minerals crystallize over millions of years under immense heat and pressure. These crystals form in pegmatites, a type of igneous rock, and it is within these mineral-rich environments that aquamarine takes shape. The gemstone's color comes from trace amounts of iron within the beryl structure, with different oxidation states of iron creating the range of blue and green hues that aquamarine is known for. The most prized specimens exhibit a deep blue color, though lighter shades of blue and green are also popular. Heat treatment is commonly used to enhance the color of aquamarine, transforming greenish stones into more vivid blue ones by eliminating the yellow tones, though untreated stones are also highly valued for their natural beauty. Aquamarine has a long and storied history that spans multiple cultures and civilizations. In ancient times, it was believed to be the treasure of mermaids and was used as a talisman by sailors to protect them during sea voyages. The gemstone was thought to calm the waves and ensure safe passage across the oceans. In Roman mythology, aquamarine was associated with Neptune, the god of the sea, and was considered a symbol of courage and protection. The ancient Greeks also prized aquamarine, believing it brought wisdom and clarity to its wearer. Throughout the Middle Ages, aquamarine was used to create amulets that were said to provide protection against poison and evil spirits. It was even believed to have healing properties, particularly in soothing anxiety and calming the mind. In the realm of jewelry, aquamarine has been a favorite for centuries due to its clarity, hardness, and stunning color. Its hardness, rated at 7.5 to 8 on the Mohs scale, makes it a durable gemstone suitable for everyday wear, particularly in rings, necklaces, and earrings. Aquamarine's natural clarity means that it often forms with few inclusions, resulting in a brilliant, transparent stone that captures and reflects light beautifully. The gemstone has been featured in royal collections and historical pieces, with some of the most famous aquamarines found in the British crown jewels. Queen Elizabeth II, for example, owns a remarkable aquamarine tiara and matching set of jewels, gifted to her by the people of Brazil. The gemstone's light, refreshing color makes it a versatile choice, complementing a variety of styles and metals, from classic gold settings to modern platinum designs. Aquamarine is also associated with a variety of metaphysical and spiritual properties. It is often considered a stone of peace, tranquility, and emotional healing, with its gentle blue color believed to calm the mind and reduce stress. Many people wear aquamarine as a way to enhance clear communication and promote self-expression, as it is thought to open the throat chakra, helping the wearer to speak their truth with confidence and clarity. The gemstone is also linked to intuition and inner wisdom, encouraging introspection and spiritual growth. Some believe that aquamarine can balance emotions, soothe fears, and create a sense of harmony and balance in relationships. These qualities have made it a popular gemstone for meditation and mindfulness practices, as well as a symbol of everlasting youth and happiness. In terms of value and market demand, aquamarine has remained a popular choice for gemstone collectors and jewelry enthusiasts alike. The most desirable aquamarines come from Brazil, particularly the Minas Gerais region, which produces stones of exceptional color and clarity. Other significant sources include Pakistan, Madagascar, Nigeria, and Mozambique, each offering aquamarines with unique shades and characteristics. The gemstone's price is influenced by factors such as color intensity, clarity, and size, with larger, deeper blue stones commanding higher prices. However, aquamarine is generally more affordable than its emerald cousin, making it an accessible option for those looking to add a touch of elegance to their jewelry collection without breaking the bank. Whether used in statement pieces or subtle, everyday jewelry, aquamarine continues to enchant with its timeless beauty and connection to the sea. In conclusion, aquamarine is much more than just a beautiful gemstone. It is a symbol of serenity, protection, and clarity. From its origins deep within the earth to its long history of cultural significance, aquamarine has earned its place as one of the most beloved gemstones in the world. Its stunning color, durability, and metaphysical properties make it a favorite for both jewelry designers and collectors. Whether worn for its aesthetic appeal or its calming energy, aquamarine remains a captivating gem that continues to inspire admiration and wonder, a true reflection of the serene beauty of the ocean. Aquamarine's influence extends beyond jewelry and metaphysical practices, finding its place in modern art and design as well. The gemstone's serene blue tones have inspired artists and designers alike, evoking the calming essence of water and sky in their works. Interior designers often incorporate aquamarine hues into home decor, using its tranquil shades to create spaces that promote relaxation and peace. The gemstone's color has also influenced fashion, with aquamarine-inspired palettes appearing in clothing collections, accessories, and even makeup trends. Its ability to reflect light in a soft, yet striking way makes it a perfect muse for artists seeking to capture the balance between subtlety and brilliance. This connection between aquamarine and creative expression underscores the gemstone's broader cultural relevance, as it continues to inspire new interpretations of beauty and tranquility in the modern world. Aquamarine's historical significance is also reflected in the lore and legends that surround it. Beyond its association with the sea, aquamarine has long been considered a stone of love and fidelity. In the Renaissance period, it was often gifted to newlyweds as a symbol of a long, happy marriage, believed to enhance communication and understanding between partners. Some ancient cultures even believed that aquamarine could rekindle the flame of love in married couples, helping to resolve conflicts and restore harmony. This tradition continues today, as aquamarine is a popular choice for anniversary gifts, particularly for the 19th wedding anniversary, symbolizing enduring love and loyalty. Its gentle, soothing energy is said to help keep relationships balanced and calm, fostering trust and deep emotional connection between partners. The mining and sourcing of aquamarine have also played an important role in the gemstone's journey from deep within the earth to exquisite jewelry pieces. Brazilian mines, particularly in the Minas Gerais region, are renowned for producing the finest aquamarines in the world. These mines yield stones of exceptional clarity and color, ranging from light blue to deeper, more intense blue hues. Pakistan is another major source, particularly the Shigar Valley, which is known for its aquamarine crystals with distinct blue-green shades. Other significant mining locations include Madagascar, Nigeria, Zambia, and Mozambique. The mining process for aquamarine involves careful extraction from pegmatite deposits, where the crystals form in large cavities. While the mining industry has historically relied on manual labor, modern techniques have made it easier to access and refine these beautiful stones, ensuring that their natural beauty is preserved for generations to come. Aquamarine's role in popular culture has further solidified its status as a beloved gemstone. Its calming blue hues have made it a symbol of peace and tranquility, often referenced in literature and art as a metaphor for clarity and emotional balance. Hollywood has embraced aquamarine in both its literal and symbolic forms, with the gemstone appearing in several films, either as a piece of jewelry or as a symbol of beauty and calmness. Famous actresses and public figures have worn aquamarine on red carpets, further boosting its popularity. Additionally, aquamarine has been featured in exhibitions of fine jewelry, including displays of royal collections and designer pieces that showcase the gemstone's versatility and timeless appeal. Its ability to transcend eras and trends has cemented aquamarine's place in both historical and contemporary cultural contexts. Aquamarine's versatility and design makes it a favorite among modern jewelry makers. Its range of colors, from pale blue to deep oceanic shades, allows designers to create pieces that can be subtle or bold, depending on the desired effect. The stone's clarity and hardness make it ideal for various types of cuts, from traditional emerald and round cuts to more unconventional shapes like cushion or pear. Designers also love aquamarine for its ability to complement a wide range of metals, including white gold, yellow gold, and platinum. Whether set in a minimalist solitaire ring or a more intricate statement necklace, aquamarine's delicate beauty and soothing color make it a versatile choice for everyday wear or special occasions. Its association with March as the birthstone adds another layer of personal significance, making it a popular gift for birthdays, weddings, and anniversaries. This enduring appeal ensures that aquamarine will continue to be cherished for its beauty, symbolism, and connection to the calming power of the sea.